Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's get started. First, you have to go to your search menu and then search for Control Panel. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap on Open or click Control Panel application. It will take you directly to Control Panel. However, I strongly suggest to go to View By, tap on Category, and select Small Icons right here. So what you're going to do next is you have to locate Network and Sharing. Tap on Network and Sharing Center here. It will take you to Network and Sharing options. Now go to your internet. So as you can see, this is my internet right here. What you're going to do is you have to double tap. Now this is the information. What you're going to do is you have to look for wireless properties. Now double tap wireless properties and then go to security. Now here the network security key is your password. All you have to do is to tap on show characters to get your password here. And that's how easy it is to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.